Hello, I'm Ben Nel, a graduate mechanical engineer with nearly 30 years of experience in designing for injection molding. I've worked with clients worldwide as the owner of BP Nel Consulting, an industrial design business. Today, I'll guide you through plastic part design for injection molding, covering 18 detailed lectures from basic principles to advanced techniques. Along the way, I'll reveal the most common mistakes designers, engineers, and students make and how you can avoid them to create functional, durable, and high-quality products. Lecture 1 introduces the fundamentals of injection molding, how molten plastic is injected into molds and why precision matters. Lecture 2 focuses on wall thickness, showing you how to create consistent walls that prevent warping or defects, a mistake I see too often in new designs. Lecture 3 dives into ribs and bosses, internal structures that strengthen your parts while avoiding sink marks and weak points. Lecture 4 explains parting lines or split lines, crucial for clean separation of molded parts. Lecture 5 covers draft angles, ensuring your designs can be ejected smoothly from the mold. Lecture 6 tackles undercuts. Designing around these is essential to avoid complex mold problems. Lecture 7 explores clips and living hinges, perfect for parts requiring flexibility and repeated movement. These are areas where even experienced designers often make avoidable errors. Lecture 8 discusses shutoffs, where precision ensures a proper seal and prevents leakage. Lecture 9 introduces small steel tooling considerations, helping you design within mold limitations. Lecture 10 focuses on tolerances and shrinkage, teaching you how to account for material changes after cooling, another common mistake I've seen in students' work. Lecture 11 covers surface finish, achieving smooth, functional surfaces that meet aesthetic and practical needs. In Lecture 12, you'll learn material selection, choosing the right plastic for strength, flexibility, and environmental considerations. Lecture 13 introduces sustainable design principles to reduce waste and improve efficiency. Lecture 14 covers mold tool design basics, showing how to create molds that are both efficient and durable. Lecture 15 teaches mold flow analysis, simulating how plastic fills a mold so you can predict and solve issues before production, another step where small mistakes can lead to big problems. Lecture 16 explores assembly processes, sharing practical tips to ensure your parts fit together seamlessly. Lecture 17 gives insight into future trends in injection molding, from new materials to automated manufacturing. Finally, Lecture 18 provides resources, CAD software guidance, and further learning tools to help you continue growing as a designer. Throughout the course, I'll show you real-world examples of how proper wall thickness, draft angles, and mold flow analysis create parts that are both functional and visually perfect. I'll also reveal the most common design mistakes I've encountered over 30 years, so you can avoid costly errors and design smarter from day one. Take your plastic part design for injection molding skills to the next level. Gain full access to all 18 lectures, practical examples, and professional resources. Start designing smarter, faster, and more efficiently today. Visit courses.3ddfm.com and enroll now.